Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must start with the camera powered and the app installed. Once powered, the LED indicates readiness. Open V380, sign in, then tap the Add Device icon to begin pairing. When prompted, choose Wi-Fi setup and enter your 4 GHz network name and password. This is critical because V380 rarely supports 5 GHz. Wait for the camera to beep and the app to confirm connection. This confirms network handoff, so proceed only after you see confirmation. Once the camera is added, you'll name it and set an admin password. This prevents unauthorized access, so make it strong. Next, configure video quality and frame rate for your network. Higher settings use more bandwidth. Enable motion detection and set sensitivity along with a recording schedule so you capture events without filling storage. Choose cloud versus micro SD storage. Cloud offers remote backup, while micro SD is local and immediate. Make sure the storage is formatted in the app. Finish by mounting and positioning the camera, then test the live view to confirm framing and focus. Adjust physically until satisfied. Enable push alerts so you receive immediate notifications and allow firmware auto updates to keep security current. Share access with specific accounts only. If things go wrong and the camera shows offline, try a power cycle first, then confirm you're on the router's 4 GHz band. If necessary, perform a factory reset and reconfigure the device in the app to restore service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.